Hundreds of people gathered in downtown Knoxville City County building today, all of them facing eviction. With 361 households on the docket for eviction court, advocates are pointing to a bigger underlying issue. 6 on Your Side reporter Ella Wales looked into why so many people are at risk of being kicked out of their home.
Hundreds of Knox County residents of all different ages, races, and genders, but with one thing in common. They are all facing eviction.
I have been couch surfing. I have had a couple of friends help me out. I bought a storage unit. But right now the priority's just been graduate. So I've just been trying to keep my head down. I don't have a permanent place right now.
John Fletcher was evicted last month. He says he withheld rent after an insect infestation at his apartment. In some states, if the landlord fails to repair major problems, tenants have the right to withhold rent. Tennessee is not one of them. Despite the ruling last month, he found himself back in eviction court, his now former landlord suing him for damages. Except this time, he was surrounded by hundreds of people in the same boat.
It's nauseating. To me, that's a symptom of a much, much deeper problem. And I'm begging our lawmakers to, I know they want the stadium and I know they want Knoxville to grow. This isn't the way to do it. This is, to me, gentrification.
Legal Aid's Eviction Prevention Office provides free legal assistance to those facing eviction. 91% of their resolved cases in the last year have successfully avoided a judgment on the tenant's record. But funding for the office is set to run out in May.
They have been so helpful in streamlining the court process, helping tenants find new houses. So we're hoping that the city and the county can find $600,000 to keep this office open, to keep lawyers being able to have a presence in court.
Eviction filings began increasing after the pandemic, but advocates say that's not the sole reason behind the spike.
I think the way a lot of people thought about it, whether this was true or not, was that these are people that just choose not to pay their rent, or there's some failing on their part. But with the situation that we've got now, we're seeing people with 2 incomes, with full-time jobs on a single income because they maybe are a single parent that are not able to keep up with something like rent doubling in a month. And we've seen cases of that. It's not always just 50%. Sometimes it's 100% rent increase. And no one can plan for that.
Reporting in Knoxville, Ella Wales, 6 on Your Side.
An upcoming report from the University of Tennessee's Appalachian Justice Research Center shows that eviction filings increased by 53% between 2022 and 23, and that trend is expected to continue.